Ajmin, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so now I need this.
Did you manage to enter all the information, all the three information?
Yeah, so now I need to make it so that this student Tardies takes the value from here.
Mm-hmm. Yes, true.
So I can just put here last, first. And then Tardies, right? It should work.
I still didn't see your screen, but
Oh, should I stop and share again?
no. Just it. Yeah,
Okay.
I already see. Yeah. Okay, that's excellent. Did you run?
No. Wait, let me print this out so I know
Yes,
if it is
excellent.
I don't know if that works. Okay.
It worked great, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now you entered one student
Yeah.
only.
So I just do a loop, right?
Yes.
But then
Mm-hmm.
wouldn't it take a long time for the user to input 50 students worth of names?
Yes, but in our case, we don't need to enter 50 students. But yes, you need to create a loop.
Yeah, let me get a for loop here from me. Yeah. Let me just do this. Okay. So I can't just use student length, right?
That is totally up to
Like
you, but
if I
you can
wanted to
try.
just
Mm-hmm.
like I don't think I can do this. Because it's that I does not array made, right? This shouldn't work properly.
Why?
Should be an error. Yeah. Because I'm just following from here, but no, it doesn't work. Yeah, what do I put for my length? That's what I'm not sure about.
Okay. First of all, we are starting. The first time we start, we actually we have zero here or empty list. Am I right? So you
Yeah.
remember in the numbers class, in the number solution that we solved last time. Can you go to the numbers class before this one here?
Yeah, I think I got it to work. Yeah.
You put here something. What is that? Can you still remember what did you use that for?
Yeah, the count for the positive and for the negative here. Yeah.
So you
For
use it
the
inside the array, right?
yeah.
To know the position, right? So
Yeah.
every time you enter something inside the array, then you know where you are now, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I mean here I got the loop working. I got it. Yeah, to because I just called this STU.
Okay, fine. But then now the first time you run the loop, it will be actually, okay, it will just loop for 50 times. Okay, fine.
Yeah. So now I need a way to store the values, right? Because now they're just overwriting themselves.
Now you're only creating S students, but then how you add them to the list? This is your trick here.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, how do I add them to the list? I had the same problem here.
Yes, but just be aware here, it is a different. You need to look at how you populate your. If you got this kind of list, how you insert something inside the list.
I can just put a call something here and then
again look at the company. Look at the company class.
Yep.
So how we did that? So we passed a list here. So how did we go through the list? Yeah, but here we use for each. No, it's not clear here.
Yeah, we use a different.
It is clear more clearer in numbers a bit. In numbers class. So you have, this is a list of numbers, and you already created it up. And then you are inserting something inside. Except that this is just a number, but in your case, it is an object of student Tardies.
Yeah.
But this is how you access the list. This is your I, and this is your loop. Where is your loop? This is your for loop, and this is your list name. So you need something similar. And instead of numbers, you have to write your student Tardies variable name.
Okay. Wait. Still, it doesn't make sense how to store this.
Okay, just copy that portion first. Copy it from here, and go try to put it there.
Put where? Just below here?
Yes, try below first. Okay, so numbers, is this, does this numbers make sense in this context? No. So what should we
make
put?
this student Tardies.
This is your variable name.
Okay. Oh. Oh, okay. It is STU.
Yes. Okay, now it is equal. Equal what? You have to put equal. You have to put something inside it.
So then I can equal it to this?
Yes. Exactly with the word new, because this is an object.
New. But I need to put S1, right?
No, no need to put S1 at all.
No?
No.
So just new student.
Just exactly like this line.
Yeah, okay.
So why I'm not like creating S1? Yes, but you have to pass it. I mean, you are passing now an empty constructor. We have to pass it last, first, and latest.
Yes. But I thought, wasn't that the point of S1?
S1, we created it first for making you understand that we are able to create an object of S1. But I mean, we created it because we didn't deal with the list yet. Okay, so now we are dealing with the list. So this one, we don't need it anymore.
Yeah.
But because also, wait, give me a second. Actually, there is two things that we can do. If it
Okay.
is easier for you, so instead of line 27, can you copy line 27 and
Yeah.
put it under also again? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like
And
outside the.
copy it and no, just put it here under it. Okay, perfect. Okay. So
Yeah.
can you remove, wait, don't remove any one of them. Just remove this portion here, totally remove it and put S1. So you have two options. You can create this 2 times like that. So you can create a student like that with S1, and then you insert S1 inside your list. So this is your list. Every time you loop, this is 1 until 50 here. So every one of them is a student. Okay, this is a student.
Yeah.
And every time you loop, your I will move from 0 to 1 here. So every time we loop, we will insert another S1
Yeah.
with different
Yeah.
name. Okay,
Yeah.
so you can use this or this. Which one is more clearer to you?
I mean, if both work the same, then I can just get rid of this and
But
just like that.
oh yes, if yes, both works the same. Yes, exactly.
Okay. Okay. So now when I print, everything works properly.
It should.
Yeah, there you go. Yes, look what that is. Hey, well, and yeah. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Why?
We faced this problem before.
Now I forget. What happened? This shouldn't. I don't know how this is happening because, okay, this is correct, and then it prints down here.
What about
Then
if you try
enter.
the word next without using line in one of them here?
Like anyone or the
No,
first
no, no,
one?
just the first one. Let's try with the first
Okay.
one.
Oh,
Skip the next one. Okay, use next also with the next line.
okay. I see. Okay. There you go. Okay. Wait.
What is that?
Oh, because I put S's. It needs to be an
Mhm.
integer. But okay. So it's working now.
Okay, that's good
But why does next line skip?
because it's in a loop. So somehow it caused some kind of maybe there is some kind of bug here inside the software that we
Oh,
cannot
okay,
put it in a
okay,
loop or something. So when you use it a
okay.
single time, it works, but when you put it in a loop, then this issue
Yeah,
happens. So
yeah,
now you managed to enter the data. Then how can
yeah,
you display a report? The last thing required is to display a report.
yeah. But if I
So he asked to display a summary report. This summary report print a summary of class Tardies. This summary should include the total number of Tardies for the class and the list of students in the database.
yeah,
How can you do that? Now you already fill in
I need a summary. Yeah.
the list. How can you create?
How can I? Yeah. I don't know. I mean,
I mean, why you don't know? It's easy.
You see?
It's easy if you compare this summary compared to this. So I mean, you can use the knowledge that you gained from this, because it's no different. When you create a summary, you need to get the total number of tardies.
Yeah.
So you have a list that is full of information.
Yeah.
You need to get out the information from the list. How can you do that?
So do I just need
No
to
magic.
call the array in the main? Or
And no, we do that. So we have to create a method inside the function, inside the class
yeah.
Tardies, summary, get summary report. And then inside the get summary report, we have to loop through.
This is
I am just wondering, dear,
yeah.
how was your trip to Singapore?
Good.
Really? What did you do there?
Yeah.
Did you go out a lot with your friends there?
Yeah, with my family and all that. We also went to we went to Singapore, then from Singapore we went to Bali for a few days, and then we came back to Singapore.
Okay. So, but
Yeah.
but the thing is, you totally changed after the trip of Singapore and Bali. I'm not sure why.
I think
You
because I hadn't done code for that period of time, right? So
yes, but also your your focus also, I can see that there is a difference. I cannot put my hand on the issue yet so far,
mm,
but
mm,
your focus before you travel was excellent. If
mm,
I would
mm,
rate your focus, I would say above 95% before you go.
mm,
Now
mm,
it is dropping even to below 80%. I cannot
mm,
really
mm,
yet put my hand, but I have no idea why. Maybe you put your body in a relaxed mode, and then you are not able to trigger your body again to.
mhm,
Hmm,
mm, mm.
okay.
Okay.
So if you want to get a report about the number of tardies, okay,
Mm,
you know the number of tardies, so you need to sum the number of tardies. So
yeah.
you have 50 students. Each one of them have a single or a specific number of tardies. You need to sum all of that. How you do that? Remove that because you're
Yeah.
not taking any input. You are dealing with the internal list.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. So
Easy, easy wheezy. Um,
it's a bit confusing. You know,
okay,
where because like
can you get me? Can you get me a single? Uh, the student Tardies have a method. Can you go to the
yeah.
student Tardies? It have a method that called get Tardies. You
Yeah.
see that? Okay. So this where is get Tardies? Yeah, here.
Yeah.
So this get Tardies actually, if you use it on a single object of a student, it will get you this one. And you already enter the number of Tardies here. So for every student, there must be a number.
Oh. So that
So
means I can use these methods in
to
this.
access, yes, but just be aware that you don't have direct access because again the
Yeah.
student is stored in the list. So you just need to enter the
I'll
list.
just I'll need to call it just like this, right? So I need to do
Exactly. Yes.
if I do so I go to not here. Yeah, Tardies. I go to student. Oh wait. First I need to actually I need this, right?
And you don't need it inside Tardies. We don't create it inside Tardies. What you need to create
Oh, okay, okay.
in the main, you just need to call get summary. You use Tardies get summary so that we can call our method from here.
Yeah, but in this Tardies, I need student Tardies.
It's true. You need something, but again, the information you already created them here. So what you need to do is so we have 50 students stored in that list. If you
Yeah.
have a list and you want to display something out of the list, you have done that before. Consider that you have an object or a list of objects. You want to loop that through that objects. How you do? You go to a numbers, or you go to also company. Also, it should have that. This is how you loop through a list.
Yeah.
This is numbers list. You're looping through it. You're getting something out of it. How you get something out of it? This is how you do it.
Okay.
And if you search through the main, you first search for a student or employee. Search for employee or student. I think better student. More. I believe you already created students before. Yeah. So this is an array. This is a list of student. A list of student. Please have a look how you assign here and how you print.
Wait, what do you mean?
Look at here.
Yeah.
This line.
I can't
This
see
is
okay.
you
Yeah.
create a list of student, and then every student you already create. So what I want to say is that at PTS 1 you already enter a new student. So if you have a list and you go to the position 0, this is a list, and you go to the position 0 and you try to print that PTS 0. So this is PTS is what? Is a student list. List of student object. So can you go to Tardies?
Okay.
What is the name of your list here?
STU.
Okay. Can you try to print STU 0?
Okay.
Print it.
Wait. This you want me to put with this
No, this we
new
already use it before. I mean, just
okay.
this is not
So just
assigning
print
new
it.
thing. Just print it only.
Well, I need to oh yeah.
He doesn't accept it from you.
I need to make this because this is static.
Void, yeah. I have to put it void.
So I need to make it just like okay. Okay. Then let me call it some report. Yeah. Oh, but then I'm just gonna have to okay.
So how can we do that? How can we change so that we don't put 50 students? We only need to put 2.
Yeah.
Can you change this to 2 so that we can?
Then maybe I just make this one let's say while
Kong
and then up to 5. Okay. Okay. Wait, I already was this because wait, if I say I comment this and I do the same thing. I just want to know I see. So yeah, so this is calling 0. So does that mean if I want this to call from all the way to 50, then I should just make a loop and make this I and then make it.
Yes, yes, as simple as
Yeah.
that. Yes.
Just have this the same.
Mhm.
Okay, correct. Okay. Then this, oh, I need to put a closing. Okay. That should work.
Yes, but do we need to actually only display all the information that is related to the student, or we only need a specific information?
I thought we needed. Oh, for the class summary, yeah, you only need the tardy
So how
total.
we can call that? Got
Oh
Tardies.
wow. Okay. Okay, so it means I need just this get tardies.
Yes. So if
So
you
I need to
print
use
the
this.
whole class, the whole object will print this for you. But we don't want to print all. We just only need to
Yeah.
call. So okay, now first let me go back to student Tardies, please.
Okay.
When I try to print the whole object, this is being called. This method is called.
Yeah.
So it print everything here. But in my case, I don't want to make it print everything. I wanted to only print get Tardies. So how can I call that? There is, if you are confused, I can tell you a simple way. But there is a,
Yeah.
so do you know how to call get Tardies here?
No, I mean
Okay, fine.
I
Can you
can.
create S1?
Mm-hmm.
Same like that line. Copy that line here down.
Wait, full line. Yeah.
Okay, excellent. So
Mm-hmm.
I want you to remove that part because we are not entering information here anymore.
Okay. What if I just did like this? No, okay. Yeah, okay, and then?
Remove the word new.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
excellent. So we know that at STUI, there is a student object. So we put it here. Copy that portion. So when you do that, you take the student object out from this list, you assign it to a variable that is called S1. So if you have S1, so this is a student Tardies class S1 dot get Tardies. Are you able? Is that clear to you? If so, S1 is an object of student Tardies, and it have a method inside, a list of methods inside. Go to the list of method here. You will find that one of them is called get Tardies. Am I right?
Yeah.
So if we created an object of student Tardies, we are able to call all the methods here on it. So
Yeah.
now I created for you an object of student Tardies. Can you please call the method get Tardies on it? On S1?
So meaning like on a new line, you just what S1
Mm-hmm.
is still a bit. Wait.
We close again and open.